I'm product manager for the hydraulic tools at Hilti, and I have here with me today the NPR24. It's our new 24 kilonewton high press tool. It comes in an inline shape and is very ergonomic. Imagine going into tight or confined spaces. That is your tool. It's lightweight and it's fast. I would like to now show you quickly how to operate it. So what we have here is a classical proper pipe installation, and it's very easy to press. You need to do nothing else than just opening the jaws, going over the fitting, making sure it's properly lined. And with that, in about 4 seconds, we have perfectly connected a proper pipe, and you can run water. What you do is you go with those two, just over okay. Press a few and then let us know how fast it is.
Like that?
Yeah, perfect.
Very cool. Woohoo! There we go.